Hi everyone, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. We're just on 5 weeks post our recent lawn renovations, so today we thought it was a good opportunity to show you how each of the varieties recovered and also how they're looking today. Let's get into it. So we're here on the TifTuf. Now, unsurprisingly, the TifTuf was the first grass to recover from the renovation. It looked acceptable after about 2 to 3 weeks post-reno, which was significantly faster than the other varieties. We've had pretty decent weather for this to come back. We've had a bit of rain and now we're getting a little bit of heat. But we weren't surprised with how quickly the TifTuf comes back. It's a great grass to renovate because of that reason. You can do a real heavy scarification, core and top dress, and have an acceptable looking lawn after a couple of weeks. So 5 weeks later now, it's still looking really, really good. The colour in this grass is beautiful, the texture's great, and like I said, it just handles wear and tear so well. Onto the Zoysia DNA certified now, and as you can see, 5 weeks past renovation, it's looking really, really good. It took a little bit longer than the TifTuf, even though we didn't scarify or top dress it as heavy as what we did that. If you've got a buffalo lawn, whether it's Zoysia DNA or not, you shouldn't go as heavy when you renovate, but it's come back really, really nice. As you can see, we've got pretty much full cover now. There's a couple of patches that still are a little bit thin, but otherwise this grass is looking beautiful, and 5 weeks later it's come back perfect. Grange Zoysia. Now Grange is a Zoysia matrella, so by nature they're very slow growing grasses, which means they're slower to recover from a renovation. This has actually shocked me a little bit here. We went pretty heavy on the Zoysia, but it's come back pretty good. Like I said, we're 5 weeks post-reno. It's not quite back yet. I don't know if you can see on camera, but it is thin in some patches, but overall, it's come back pretty nice. We've had perfect weather for Zoysia the last few weeks with some rain and also some heat now. So I'd expect another 2 to 3 weeks, which will bring us up to about 8 weeks post-reno. This grass should be back to just about full health and full cover. So there's a quick recap on how the TifTuf, the Zoysia DNA certified, and also the Grange have come back from renovation. They've all come back awesome, but it's great to see the variations in the recovery rates between each of the 3 grasses. If you've just done a renovation or you're looking to do one soon, check out the Lawn Solutions Australia YouTube channel or website. We've got a heap of information on how to do it and also how to look after your lawn once you've completed the renovation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to catch you next time.